John, I mean,
Everything is fine.
yeah, I
Yes,
think,
sir. Doing good.
Question number 3, sir.
okay, 3,
4.
4,
Then question number 7, sir, and
7.
9.
Okay, good.
And then week 9.
Week 9. Okay, good.
Activity 9.4.
9.4. Okay, question number?
This question number is question number 5, sir.
Okay, good.
And in 9.5, question number 2 and 3.
Activity question 9.5.
5. Question number 2 and 3.
Question number 2 and 3. Okay. Others?
Sir, if you can explain a matrix to us, that would be great.
What?
Matrix.
Matrix.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so once I take these questions, then I will explain the matrix. Okay.
Sure.
Okay. Good. Others? Yeah, Cyan.
Okay, you go ahead first.
PA week 9, question number 9.
PA? Okay.
Question 9.
Question 9. Okay. Yeah, Cyan? Yeah, tell me. Cyan Bhomik?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, it's more like a conceptual thing. Conceptual thing means I cannot connect those two things.
Mm-hmm.
What I learned in Maths 1 for graph theory and over here. I mean, they are connected, but they are not like totally disjoint or something. So in Maths 1, we learned that if it's a directed edge, then it's one way. And if they are connected again back, let's say there are two vertices or nodes, 1 and 2, with labels having 1 and 2. If they are connected, I mean, 1 is connected to 2 via a directed edge, and that edge weight is, let's say, 4, then that edge cannot have any other weight until and unless we have another directed edge from 2 to 1. But in any activity question, I cannot remember the activity question number, but there was something said like an edge can have two labels. So if that is true, then how it is like getting justified? That is my question. I mean, if a directed edge can have only one label, then how is that statement or argument is satisfying?
Yeah, so
Getting satisfied, something
yeah,
like that.
so no, so thing is that here what we are trying to say here, like let us say station 1 and station 2 is there. So there is a train which runs from station A to a station B. Okay.
Okay.
And let us say it takes 2 hours, and the distance is, let us say, 100 kilometer.
Okay.
So it can have two information with the one edge, no? I mean, so that is what we are trying to say here, like 2 hours, as well as it travels 100 kilometer. Also, we can add one more information, not only one. We can add like, yeah, it runs on a particular day, like Wednesday or Friday.
Okay.
But in that mathematics, like it is assigned for, or that particular case, that is assigned for only one quantity that is
Edge,
representing only one quantity.
edge weights, right? Yeah.
Also we can say that, no, I mean, so let us say a student A and a student B. So A and B, so a student A and B is connected through A. From A it starts and B it ends, and the weight you can put like marks of A minus marks of B. So marks of A there can be like for our data set we have 3 subjects, so we can write 3 subjects difference marks with the marks of A minus marks of B, like that. But if you want to represent with only one, let us say total marks, that is also the case, no, I mean, we just represent with 1 mark.
Okay. So in this case, I mean,
Mhm.
for CT purpose, so
Mhm.
we are actually implementing those conditional statements, and if they are getting satisfied, then there is an edge. So per edge can have multiple labels, and those
Mhm.
labels are actually those conditions which we are trying to satisfy. So if they
Mhm.
are satisfied, we are labeling those conditions to that
Mhm.
particular edge, and we
Yes,
are having that edge from one node to another, right?
correct. Yes, very true.
Okay, so it has nothing to do with the mathematical thing that we learned in Maths 1, but the concept is same. But in this case, we are actually adding some more information over here.
You will also come to know that like now we have matrices, no, so in a matrices one block, see, matrices is nothing but what you have a nested dictionary.
Next, it's a dictionary.
So one cell of a matrix is representing the value between I and J, some connection, if connection between I to J, that so graph can be represented by matrix, and that is called adjacency matrix. You will understand in upcoming, I think, in this in week 7, I think what is week 9 going on now. So week 9, I don't think it is there or not, but I think in week 10
No, sir,
definitely it will be
it's in
there.
week 10. Week 10. I mean, how many nodes are coming connected to how many edges? So the edge weights and all that adjacency matrix. Yeah, I understand that.
It will be
We
more
did that in Maths
clear.
1.
Yeah, it will be more clear when you read the next week lecture.
Okay. Got it, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, these are the doubts I have collected from students who have joined earlier. So others, those who have joined late, do you have any doubt? If you have, I can mention here, and then I will start.
Okay, so another conceptual thing. I mean, you can take. Okay. You have taken that. Okay, never mind. I had a small thing in matrix thing. So whenever you're gonna, I mean, explain the matrix, if I'm still having a doubt, then I'm gonna ask. So I didn't see that you have written that. Sorry.
Okay. Yeah. So I will go through once these questions will be done. Okay. So then I will go to the matrix. I will explain how to create what is mean and all these things. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so that's all. Today attendance is very low. Is there any another session going on? I mean, some other session is going on?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is that session?
Sir, math session.
Math 5th and 6th practice session, activity session.
So it is, so 4 to 6 it was there, or it is just
4 to 7.
4 to 7, that session is going on.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So chalo, we'll start this session then now. Yeah, very okay. Most of the guys are regular. I think some. I mean, Anurag. I think you have joined first time, Anurag. I think Anurag and
No, sir.
no, you joined earlier also.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, others I can see. Chalo. So let us start from what to do. Like I will start from week 8 graded assignment questions. So then I come to the matrix part. Sounds good?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay then. Yeah. So let us go to the week 8 graded assignment question number 3, 4, and 7. Yeah. So question 3. Yeah. Okay. So I think I have PDF open. Yeah, I just put it at the right side and
Sir, in this question, I understood first of all, we have to calculate the maximum marks according to the data set. After that, I don't understand what to do.
okay. Yeah, my screen is visible. I mean,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
okay, sure. So this is week 8. Question number 3.
3.
Okay, good. Yeah, so the question is based on scores data set. And what will be the value of B at the end of execution? So I think this is a numerical uncertainty, means you have to go through the data
Data
set. But before that, you should understand that what how the dictionary will look like, and then you can know the value, means what C is going to represent. Then you can just go through the data and just find the value of C. So in that, you can break these long pseudocode in a small chunk. I mean, the first part of this one is nothing but we are creating a dictionary D, and how the dictionary D will look like, I just give you some idea. Okay. So dictionary, you have created a dictionary. It's a nested dictionary you have already created with the 3 keys:
Sir,
mathematics,
keys.
physics, and chemistry. No.
Yes, sir.
So like, let me write for here. I mean, I just writing mathematics M here. Okay. And yeah, so what is your doubt, and who had asked this question?
Abhinav, this side, sir. I
Yeah.
asked this question and I could not able to reach out the answer. I
Okay,
created the dictionary,
Acha,
and after that, I could not able to solve this. basically.
okay. So if I'm going to create like this, I think you will have idea then. Hai na? Okay. So others, what about others? I mean, you guys are comfortable with this question?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So how many have doubt in this? I mean, I can see only one doubt there. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Only. Okay. Everybody is clear on this then.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. Then yeah. Yeah. Hi. Yeah. Who is this? Hello. Okay. So please mute yourself if you are not having anything to say, and if you are not able to understand, let me know. Chalo. So we have a dictionary called this is called nested dictionary because you can see the keys and corresponding values in another dictionary, which is an empty. So it's fine. Means you have a nested dictionary. Chalo. So what we are going to do, we have a table 1. Okay. We are updating this dictionary by calling a dictionary called update dictionary by field, and we have a 3 parameters: D, X, and mathematics. So as soon as you see this, you have to go where here. Yes. And what you have to check, I mean, update dictionary, you have sent this information. So now if you go first time, subject is now mathematics.
Math.
And y value will be X and D is same as D. So if you go first time and D comma Y city town, so obviously if you go first time, what will be the
Else part
return
we
value
will.
of this will be
False.
this will return false. Correct, no? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
And so it will go to the else part, and what it will do, it will assign D subject. So D subject, let us say you have something, you have to assume some data. I mean, yeah, I think, but let us say just randomly just select. I mean, so D, if you are assigning here for a first by call of first time, so let us say you have called for this one D subject. So D subject, let us say you have called for mathematics. So mathematics, and inside we have another key, y dot city and town. Can you see this? So this is telling that you have some city name, let us say Chennai, and corresponding you have to enter the marks. Let us say Chennai student has got, that card has got how much? Should I write the data? I mean, then it will be more clear for everyone, guys.
Yes, sir.
Sure, sir.
Yeah, so Chennai, and that and what are the things we need to write? Marks, है ना? Yes.
Subject wise marks.
Yeah, subject wise. So I'm writing in a sequence: math, physics, and chemistry. So let us say math is 80, physics is 75, and chemistry is 90.
87.
Okay, so 97. Okay, 87. No problem. Okay, the next card will have something called Delhi.
Erode.
Erode. Okay, next time. Okay, so Delhi will have something. Tell me some marks. 78. Mathematics. 79 for
95.
6, and chemistry for 90. Chalo. Can we have same city also? One more time. Can have, no?
Yes, sir.
So let us say small data set. I just try to do that. So this time, chalo, 85, then 70, then
65.
65. Chalo. So you have these data. You have data in initially in table 1. Sounds good. Now we are calling. So d update dx x mathematics. As soon as you call this guy, you have to go here and you have to check. So obviously is key d subject, this mathematics inside. There is no any. So what do you think? This is representing a what? Dictionary, no?
Yes,
Is
sir.
key is only valid for a dictionary, and this is a dictionary, comma, that key. So this is not a key initially when you go first time. So what is that key? Key is nothing but our city. So city is what? Chennai. So it is not the key. What it will go? It will go to the else part and D Chennai, and it will assign the subject marks. And what is the subject marks? You have 80. That's all, no?
Yes.
You will do that. And now, so D, you will have something or others also. What do you think? Others will be there, no? Physics,
will
yeah.
be there.
Physics part will be there,
And dictionary.
and chemistry part will be also there, है ना?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, good. So this will be like this. Okay. Now, so this is done. So now it will return to D. So now your updated D will be like this, no? So it will be returned. Now again you will come back here, and it will call with another field with what?
Subject. Subject.
There are 3 fields, but only the
Physics.
change is physics now. Now again you will come back. I will check. Now let us see. Is key subject is what?
Yes,
Physics.
sir.
And in physics, Chennai is there?
No, sir.
No. Again it will come back here and it will assign the value. है ना? So
Yes.
it will be like this now. If you call next time, so it will be now again Chennai, and with subject marks what? 75. Correct, no? Now
Yes, sir.
again it will return D. Now updated is D. Now again it will come for chemistry. Again in this chemistry is not assigned. In chemistry there is no any key, no, of Chennai. So
No,
it will
sir.
go to the else part and it will assign the value of chemistry marks. Guys, others people are able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Because I'm not writing each and every single line here, because you are able to understand, like dictionary is now 7, like I think 2nd week. And yeah, so chemistry, how much he has got?
87.
87. So now this is done. Now this card is moved to where? Table 2. So you have moved this information to now that card to table 2. So after yeah, so after updating for the card Chennai, you have dictionary. Your dictionary will look like this. If next card will come, what do you think? Again, in mathematics, chalo, at least one time you see, then you will understand. Yeah. So when you come D comma mathematics, again it will go here, again it will check here. So D subject city town again. So
False.
now city is what? Delhi. Okay. So Delhi is there, but in this, do you think Delhi is a key?
No, sir.
No,
It will
no.
return false.
It will go to the else part.
Else part.
And what you will do, what you will have? Control.
We'll have another key
Yeah.
with Delhi now.
Yeah, you will have another key in where?
Maths mark.
Subject in mathematics only, no?
Yes, sir.
So it will be either I can write before and after, it's fine, no? So
Yes,
here
sir.
it will be Delhi and corresponding marks will be what? How much?
78.
78. People are able to understand what I'm trying to say here?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
So if you see, the only important thing to create a dictionary, if you are able to understand how we are going to create the dictionary here, then this part is very much easy. You can easily understand. Chalo. So what we have done, we have done for this mathematics. Now we need to come for the Delhi again. In this, we can have Delhi.
79.
Delhi and how much? 79. And for the chemistry,
Delhi 90s.
yeah, I can write before also. It's fine.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt here? How much? The 90.
90, 90s.
90. Correct.
Yes.
Now come. Now this is done. Now again, you will come here and this data is moved to table
Table 2.
2. So this will have now. Okay. Now coming next card. Now this is little bit interesting. You will go because see, for all the cards you have access only this part of the code. And
Yes. Yes, sir.
you haven't access. But what do you see? So that's why I have taken a data in such a way that there is a like similar city, same city, so that you are able to access this part of the code also. See, if you take data like all different city, I don't think so you are going to access any time. No.
Yes, sir.
So that's why I have taken a data in such a way that we are able to access this part of the code. And how? Just see that. So next time again for the third card, what is that? Same from Chennai. So from Chennai there can be more than one student. No, that's why. So now we are coming a D comma X mathematics. Chalo. We are coming here and for the mathematics we are saying so is comma D C T subject. So what is the D subject is representing what? D subject is what? This much. This one, no?
Yes, sir. Mathematics.
This one. D subject is representing a dictionary. What is that? This one. Subject is currently mathematics. That's right. Yeah. So now comma y dot city and town. What is the city currently we are having? Chennai.
Chennai.
So what do you think this will? Do you think Chennai is the key in this?
Yes.
Yes. What it will? It is true, and it will go inside. And what it will check? D of subject. Yeah, mathematics. Y dot city Chennai. What it is representing here? So it is representing here if D. I'm writing line number 20 part, guys. So D subject. D subject is what? Mathematics. And what is the city you are having?
Chennai.
Chennai
Equal to 80.
is less than, it is checking less than y dot subject. What is the subject you have? Mathematics, no?
Mathematics.
So current. So what? Sorry. Yeah. So this part. What is the value of this part? Someone?
80.
Others able to understand? This is representing what? What is the value of this one? D mathematics Chennai. What is the value of this one, guys? Others?
80, sir.
80. No.
80.
Everybody is able to.
80.
Hello. Yeah. Okay. Sorry. Okay. So everybody is able to understand. It's fine then. If you have any doubt, let me know then. So this is representing 80. Now less than. What is the current marks? This is
85.
the current, no? Y dot math. What is the current marks we are having?
85.
85. So what do you think? This is true or false?
True.
True. Where it will
True.
go? It will go inside, and what it will do? It will
Update.
update the value with y dot subjects. So this now this value control C is updated with what? Y dot
85.
current value.
Y dot.
Yeah. So your dictionary will look like, sorry. So see, after updating, your dictionary will look like this. Will have
85.
85. Any doubt? So what do you think it? Okay. So for next card, let us see. Next call. It is for the physics. So currently, what is the value of 70?
70.
And what is the already we have 75?
75.
So it is going to update it. No, no.
No, sir. No, sir.
Because this condition will be false, no, because it will be 70 is less than 75, no, so ulta, I mean
75 is less than
75 is less than 70, it's false, so it will not update. What about next also? 65.
false.
65 chemistry is what? This is
87.
87. So 87 is the, so at the end of this one, I mean, so if you moved all the card to table 2, what do you think our dictionary is going to represent? It is representing, yeah, it is representing mathematics marks from the CT Chennai. Highest marks is 85. In mathematics from Delhi, 78 is the highest. What is am I correct?
Yes, sir.
One more time. So it is representing, if this is the one, what do you mean by what? That a student from Chennai, so who got highest marks
In physics.
who is from Chennai in physics is 75. No?
Yes.
Okay, two information, Chennai and physics marks. From Chennai, what is the highest physics marks?
75.
From Chennai, highest chemistry marks?
87.
Everybody agree on this? How?
Yes, sir.
Okay, but then your job is like, the difficult part is over. Now you just see, it is nothing. So next is what we are trying to see. Yeah. So while table 2, so all things we have moved to where?
Table 2.
Now check. So read the first row X in table 2. Okay. So we are reading. Okay. So eligible D comma X. So eligible is another dictionary, I think, a procedure we have somewhere here. Okay. And we are checking with current card. So current card now, this one is current card, no? Now because we are reading the table 2 cards, no, guys.
Yes.
Chalo, we'll see here and what is happening here. Subject list. So there is a list already we have with the subjects. So 3 elements are there. C is 0. Now for each subject in subject list. So when you go first time, what is the value of subject you will have? Mathematics.
Mathematics.
Chalo, theek hai. So D subject, means D mathematics, X dot city and town. So what is that currently we have? Chennai, no? Chennai is equal to X dot physics.
Yes.
So what is the X dot subject is what there? X dot subject? 80.
The card which you take?
80. And the what is the this current value we
85.
have?
85.
85.
It's true or false?
False.
False, no? So
False.
C is not going to increment.
Yes.
For next card, for the actually, so not for the next card, because this is a list, so you haven't finished all the elements. Now for the physics. So for the physics, what you will check again? Physics Chennai. Physics Chennai 75. Hai na?
Yes, sir.
Sorry, this is 75. What is the current card we are having?
75.
75. So 75 is equal to 75. So it is going to
Increment C.
So what do you think that? What is it doing here actually? C is counting what?
Same number of
It is counting
number of students who have maths and
number of
math.
subjects in which X is a CT topper in that subject.
Oh, yeah.
है ना?
Yes, sir.
My screen is visible, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the information you are getting from this. Okay. So question only creation part is difficult. Rest of things will be easy. Okay. Yeah. Any doubt?
Hello.
No, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, in the statement, how does this C captures number of subjects in which X is a city topper? We have in the dictionary, if we if the if statement goes true, dictionary subject X dot city town is equal to the subject. So how you could able to infer that C is capturing that thing?
See, I mean, this is first you understand what is D actually. So D is representing, like if I'm saying 85, what do you mean by 85?
It is the maximum.
This is the highest marks of Chennai student in mathematics.
Right.
Hai na? So let us say there are two students. There are two students who is from Chennai got highest marks in mathematics. So that for that it will going to count. No, for that it is going to true. Let us say I have considered only 3 cards. There can be situations where the highest marks can be more than one person. No, like there are 2 toppers in a class. Now there is another classification. There are 2 top. There are, like, let us say there are 5 toppers. There can be 5 toppers in a subject, but 2 are from Chennai, 1 is from Delhi, and 2 are from Bangalore. For that it is counting. Understand?
Right, sir. Understood, sir.
Okay. Okay. So next one is what? Question number 4. Question number 4. What is that? Yeah. Okay. So how many have doubt in question number 4? Others? For others, it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So what's your doubt in this, Abhinav? No.
Yeah, Abhinav, sir.
Yeah,
sir, in I mean, what is the error in line number 13?
Line number 13, there is error. I don't know.
Line number 14 is the error, sir.
Line number 10 and 14.
14.
Error. 10.
Yeah, I marked line number.
There is no error in line number 13. Sir, this is list, and you are iterating. So there is no. What is error in this?
Sir, shop, instead of shop, it should be category, because we have to update to
Line number 14, no? Yeah,
Yes, sir.
line number 14.
Okay, I marked it wrong. I mean,
yeah. So here the correct is here it should be a dictionary, है ना?
Right, sir, right.
Yes.
Here it should be the correct for the line number 10. So others, if you have doubt, then let me know. So error in here line number 10, and the correct code is correct.
Empty list will be replaced with empty dictionary.
Y dot customer name correct expression will be this one. Shop it should be
right, sir, right.
Anna?
You're right, sir. I got it.
Because can you see this here? It is writing
right, sir. Right.
Category also, and this will be also as a initialize as a initialize as a empty dictionary, and there is error in line number 14 also. Here it should be
category instead of shop.
X dot category, no?
Right, sir.
No, X dot.
No, sir, only category.
Category only, not only category, because
String category.
you have to in this list you have to write. So in this dictionary you have to write actually. Line number 14. So here you should have. Let me copy and paste. Better for me up to here. Control C, Control V. Here X dot customer, and here it should be. Category actually, है ना?
Sir.
Right, sir.
And A dot category must understand this, and it should be true. Like this. Okay. So the correct expression for line number 10 is this one, and for the 14 is this one. Everybody is clear on this?
Yes, sir.
I think people others
No, sir.
no.
Line 10 are still in doubt.
Okay, line 10. See, I mean, what you have initialized this one as a?
List.
Acha, see what you have initialized as a list here in line number 10. So, I mean, if I write like this, I can copy and paste. Sorry, yeah, the customer. So I am writing customer name. If I write like this, shop. So sorry. So it will come like this as you have assigned in line number 10 as a list. This will come like this if I write like this. Why
Yes.
shop? Okay, but
Yes.
what? But can you see this in line number 12? Line number 12. What you are going to do in custom shop? This is a key, and corresponding value we are assigning a value true.
Mm.
But since you have initialized this one as a list, you cannot assign a dictionary, no, there.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Understand? So
Yes, sir.
I mean, what you have done, so you are writing actually here. I mean, if you see here in line number 12, you are doing actually this one. I mean, you have, as soon as you have done,
Yeah, dictionary.
but why dot shop name, something will come, no? Shop name.
Will come as key and true will be the.
You have assigned like this. So that is the error, no? Here is a contradiction. So this is you have assigned as a list, but in next line 12 you are assigning this one as a dictionary. Can you see this? This one.
Yes.
Since line number
Yes,
12
sir,
is
got
not
it.
so line number 12 is not mentioned, that's why this line is true. I mean, this is error free, therefore there is a error in line number 10 itself. So you have to assign this one as a
Sir,
yeah.
sir, if line number 12 is given in the options, then
Situation might be different. I mean, but also again this
Okay.
another thing is also you should consider. But I think line number 13, 14 and 16 is given. Okay, 13 and 14 is given, then there will be some different situation will come. But since some lines are not given, means that is error free. I mean, that's why I mentioned in the somewhere, like, but the pseudocode may have mistake. So generally in the quizzes we generally mention that the lines which are not given are error free. So it should be understand or should come on conclusion based on the lines which are not given as a options. Understand?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
line 10, I
Yes,
do not see,
Sorry. Tell me.
line number 10, I do not see a list assigned. It's a dictionary, right?
No, yeah. So this is, I mean, this is, so for this one, this is assigned as a list. But for this one, I mean, can you see this? I have written like this one as a assigned as a what?
Shop.
List, no.
Customer name, shop. So customer name is customer name is assigned as a dictionary, which has shop
As a
one of
key,
the
and
key.
corresponding value is a list.
Yeah,
It is a empty currently.
yeah.
But in the next line itself, if you come to the line number 12, what do you see here? In this
So is it the correct way to assign? I mean, can we access? This is even assignment itself is not correct, right?
yeah, this is the wrong. So the correct one is this one. I mean, you have to assign as a
Well,
dictionary.
Yeah.
A small doubt. I
Yeah,
think
just one by one. Yeah. So your doubt is clear. I mean,
Yes. Thank you.
Sanjay. Yeah. Okay. Next. Yeah.
so in this same thing, the assignment of the list is correct, right? If we
No,
change line number 12 and line number 14 to plus list.
So therefore that code will be different.
Yeah.
Understand? Yeah. That code will say assignment is here correct. Means you can assign, but thing is that the question.
Yeah, I do understand that part, but
yeah, understand. Yeah, it can have anything. No, I told you. Now it can be it can have only integers. It can have a list. It can have another dictionary. It can have a character. Anything you can assign as a.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Now it's clear for others, guys.
Yes, so like you just cleared ki we can assign anything in a dictionary, but I'm not getting like how you get to know that in 12 and 13 I'm getting wrong if I'm assigning a list over in line number 10.
So line number 12, can you see this? I mean, if you have a sign as a here list, okay. So till now I was okay, but thing is that when I saw that line number 12, in that you have seen that you have used a key corresponding. So if I write this as a shop name, can you see this? By dy customer and shop, this value will appear. But what you are assigning in this, you are assigning a this actually, no? But you cannot assign as you have assigned as a list, because this is a dictionary, and line number 12 is error free because that is not in the option. Therefore, there is an error in line number 12. By in initializing of this one, you have to make it a dictionary. Then you will be able to assign this one. Y dot shop name true. That is what I have written here.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear or not clear? I mean, then I will try to make you understand differently.
Clear, sir.
Clear, sir.
Okay. Okay. So should I move to the next question? Everybody's, because this type of question is very much important for quizzes and other things, because this is a conceptual type of question. And nested dictionary and dictionary, wherever nested comes, it becomes more complicated. And in this type of
So
question,
actually, like in line number 12, there has been list, and then by the side, then another list. Means we can see that there are 3 lists. So if it really
there is
exists,
list in line number 12.
like so, there's a this square bracket 3 times when it's
These
dictionary.
are keys, Vaishnavi. These are keys.
Okay, so I'm not able to get like in single dictionary we are assigning 3 keys simultaneously.
So it will your dictionary will look like this. Sorry, your dictionary. So you have assigned this one, no? So your dictionary will look like this. You have first customer name. Y dot.
You have written it.
Can you please mute customer name? This is a key inside another shop. Sorry, it's small, no? Shop, and another key is there inside. What is that? Y dot shop name. So you have Y dot shop name. Let me write. And you have a key. Sorry, you have corresponding value, which is true. So this is closing bracket for this one. Another shop like this for this one, and for last for this one. So if I write like this in some practical example, it will look like this. So some customer, let's say some customer is like, let us say that's very one simple, Ram. He went to shop, let us say Big Bazaar, and Y dot shop name. Sorry, shops actually, shop, no? Shop is the key actually, so I cannot change this. So he has gone to Y dot shop name. So let us say he has gone to Big Bazaar, and that's a true. I mean, it is signed as a true. He has also gone to the Sun General, and it might have went, no, and true. He has, let us say he has only gone to 2 shops. Okay. Next.
Also, sir, one more thing. In this dictionary, we have already assigned a key value pair with category and empty dictionary. So that will also be here, right?
Yeah. So that will also. So can you see that this is the third one? So in this shop, I mean 1, 2, and third one inside Big Bazaar is true. It is coming, no? So here it is category. I mean here what I mean, just a minute, right? Let me write like this. Here, no, it will come as a shop.
Outside it.
Just a minute. Yeah, shop. Yeah, inside. Sorry, outside of this one. Yeah, this one. This is the second key. So second key here is actually it should be a category. No. So
yes.
Here it should be. Sorry.
Category with empty dictionary.
Yeah, a category, and now it will have category name, something called. Tell me some. Food. and that is assigned as a true.
True.
Okay, like that. I mean,
Yes, sir.
might have something different items you might have purchased also. So your dictionary will look like this. I mean, let me write where I was. Yeah, true, food or something.
Apparel. Utilities, apparel.
Okay. Utilities. It has true.
True.
And this is closing bracket of this one category. So
there will be another one closing bracket.
Yeah. So this is for corresponding this value, and there are one more, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So can you see this? What is happening here? Ram has visited how many shops? So if we count that list keys of D, Ram and shop, it will give the number of shops visited by Ram. Can you see this? If another person will come, so it will come where? I mean here. Hana? So
Yes.
Hana? Can you see this? It is little complex. I understand totally. Again, you will have, he might have visited shops. What is that? Shops? Some shops.
Say SV.
Yeah, SVS store. SVS store he might have visited.
True.
Hai na?
Yeah.
SVS store, only one shop. Let us say only one shop he has visited.
True.
That means he's a true customer. He wanted to visit only one shop. True customer, do you understand what do you mean by true customer? I mean,
Yes, sir.
Loyal customer.
And that category means what type of item he is purchasing from
Food.
that.
Cereal, hand wash, air freshener,
Means,
etc.
so something category is there. That what is that category? Tell me some category. A stationery is something category is also there, no?
Yes.
Stationery he is purchasing. So can you see this? Lot of information. Food is also he is purchasing from
Yes,
that sorry. So
true.
So this is closing bracket of this one.
Another closing.
Another is for the Sohan, and the last one is for this guy. This one. Hana?
Yes.
Can you see this? If I tell you a count number of loyal customer, how will you find? You will check what? If can you tell?
D customer.
Customer x dot customer. X dot
customer.
Customer name.
Shop.
So this is actually variable. No need to write. Hana? This is variable. So no need to write.
Shop.
Okay. Shop.
Equal to.
Sorry. Shop is equal to what?
1.
So
keys.
What this is?
Keys.
Yeah.
Keys.
And only keys.
Is key.
Length.
Key.
Length.
No,
of
length of key.
Length
of key.
Keys. So length, then you will be able to check, no?
Yes.
If it is equal to 1, then
that's the value checking.
Yeah, you will count. Just count is equal to count plus 1.
Yeah.
How many are able to understand this? See, this type of question can come. Can you see this? How many different type of a different category of question we can form with the existing data?
Yes, sir.
Guys, how many have understood that this is what I have written is correct?
Sir, can you explain once again?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah. So how? So first of all, this is for the loyal customer, hai na? Loyal
yes, sir.
customer. So I'm trying to say that loyal customer means he has visited only one shop, hai na?
Yes, sir.
So if you see that Ram and how many shops he has visited. So he has visited Big Bazaar and
Sun General.
so he is not a loyal customer, no?
Yes, sir.
Others. I can
Yes,
Right, sir. Right,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
so many
we got it.
percentages.
Right, sir.
If you say yes or no, then I will be able to understand. Na? People are yeah. So if you check the means if you check the how many keys are present in this, that will give the number of shops visited by Ram.
Right.
Yes, sir.
So if a number of keys in this dictionary is 1, what do you mean by that? He has visited only one shop.
Right, sir.
Keys,
Yes, sir.
number of keys for this dictionary. So how we will come to this dictionary? So this is variable, then x dot customer name. So inside you have come now customer name. Inside, so this is the whole. If I write here, just make. If I write here D Ram, what do you think it will appear?
The
Dictionary,
dictionary.
shop and
Category.
category. as-
That entire thing.
Control C, Control V. These things will appear. If
Yes,
I
sir.
Yes,
I write D Ram and another
Sure.
another key. So I have now this is one dictionary. Inside another dictionary is there. If I write like here shop, what do you think it will appear here?
Dictionary
BB
with
and
BB and
SG.
SG.
GB and SG. That one.
Now what I'm checking here, keys of keys is defined for what? Dictionary.
Dictionary.
Yes, sir.
And do you think this is defined for this is a dictionary?
Yes.
So if I write keys of this one, this will represent what?
A list.
The keys BB and
A
SG.
list of BB and
It can
SG.
have any order.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now I'm checking what? Just length of this. And that is what, if it is 1, then this is a loyal customer. Understand what I'm trying to say here, guys?
Right, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Can you see this, how much complexity is there? But if you break into small part, then you will able to understand. Okay? It's not too tough, but if you do practice, write code by yourself sometimes, even though that code what is already given to you like practice or graded assignment, just think that you have to create a dictionary like that. You have to create a dictionary like this. How we will do that?
So we can also check for the most food buyer customer in the shop data set.
The
Right.
different type of categories of food. I mean,
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Right.
Or a customer who buys more than one category.
yes. If
Anything.
for that case, what you have to do? You have to just check here.
Change the shop
category.
Yes, sir. Instead of shop,
And
right?
greater than one.
Yeah, and if I say that, if I now I'm trying to customer if I want to write number of customers who
Buy more than one category.
Who buys
more than one category.
For different categories.
what is that category? Food category. Number of customers who purchase food category items. Food category items. What do you think the code will be? How did it come? Okay, I'm just going to put these all things in one page. Just give me a second. They need to be good. Yes. Are you able to see this whole code?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So for that, what is the code is required? I mean,
If
I want to know that.
If
so here you have to change. I don't know what you will do. So I will change here only, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Who buys food category items?
D.
You have dictionary this one, and what condition you should write?
D.
Okay. So one by one. So D.
X dot customer.
X dot customer name.
guys, I think today I'm going to do only this. I think what is that dictionary? Graph theory, maybe Sunday is fine for you guys.
Yes, sir. No issue.
But sir, at least a bit on matrix. It would be.
Sorry.
At least some insights on matrix.
Yes, sir, please.
Okay, good. Okay, I will just give a half 30 minutes is more than enough, I think. Then let me finish this part actually. Yeah. So what else?
X dot customer.
Customer name.
Customer name.
X dot
X dot customer name. ठीक है. Okay. Next.
category.
Category.
Just
Square bracket category.
yeah. Square bracket category.
And
Food.
another square
Yeah.
bracket for food.
Category.
So we don't inverted commas.
Huh?
No need of inverted commas, no?
No, category is defined as a. Can you see this? Customers are
Okay.
variable. But,
Category.
Okay.
Food.
Food.
okay. What should I write? Yeah.
Okay, we should
Another-
write like keys.
Yeah.
Keys
Just,
of.
yeah. Pooja, just give me a second. I understand. Okay. So someone. Hey, please raise your head. Who wanted to answer this one? So first, who was talking about category? Then what should I write here? Fast.
Food, sir.
Food, sir.
Okay, I should write here food. Okay. Then
So we have to count the number of food items, or just we check.
number of
No.
number of customers. Can question is this one? Why it is coming in red? Red is not good, no?
Sir, you have selected the different red color.
Yeah. Okay. So these are black now. Okay. Black is good or red was good?
Black,
Red
sir.
was okay.
Red for the highlight points.
Everything is fine, sir.
Acha, ठीक है. So I was counting here number of customers who buys food items. Food
Okay.
category items actually. Food category items. So there can be some customer who doesn't buy food.
Right, sir.
So I have to count that customer. So number of customer who buys food category items. So this is enough.
No, sir.
Equal
No, sir.
to equal to
One by one. Abhishek, are you done with your explanation? Once your answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is I think not correct. Okay. Next who is this? Okay, I think Pooja. No, Pooja wanted to say.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
We have to actually add keys. Is key D?
Okay, so she has different plan. So she is saying that where should I put keys?
Oh,
Is key
after
or
it.
keys?
Is
Yeah.
key. Yes.
Okay, keys.
Is
Okay,
key.
and what will be your dictionary up to where?
Sir, we have to write like if is key, and then all this.
Okay, is key.
Yes, sir.
Is key. Okay. Next
Category.
is key, and what is the dictionary here? Till
From
when?
here it is there, and then food. Food
Till
will
when?
not.
Till when?
Till category, sir.
Till here.
Till category.
Okay. Comma. Okay.
And that should be equals to food, double equals to food. Category double equals to food.
Category double equal to food. Huh? Okay. Okay. So is key. Do you remember how it works?
It will check the keys, isn't it, sir, for the
It takes-
dictionary?
It checks in this dictionary this key is there or not. If it is there, it will return true.
Yeah, yes, sir.
This is done, no?
Yeah, yes, sir.
No need to write other things.
Uh-huh.
Other way you can also write. What you will do? You will check like this. Guys, this is correct. Anybody having doubt in this?
No,
No, sir.
But this is the easiest way, sir. I mean, this statement is the easiest way to satisfy this condition.
Yeah, you can write in other way also. But I
Using
do.
if condition.
Okay, but leave it. I mean, one is enough. I do not want. You guys try in another way. Like you can convert into a list, and then you are comparing it is equal to something. Okay, chalo. Is member say you can also do. Okay, where I was? Yeah, question number 3 is done. No,
Sir.
Yeah.
So cannot we just put the length and key again here to just count the number of customers who are of the category of food.
We have to check for food also. Only.
Yeah. Who is this? Pooja, no? No, sorry. Vaishnavi. Who had asked this question?
Yes, sir, it was me.
Vaishnavi, yeah. So how we'll check with the length? Because you are going to compare with something category. Item, some string. Length gives what? Number, numeric value. So if you check that just a number, how we will check that with the food, the customer who buys food category items? How will check, Vaishnavi?
Oh yes, sir, got it.
Okay. Okay. So now question number, where I should go? Question number 4. Question number 5, no? Question number, no, sorry, 7 and 9. Okay. How many have doubt in this question number 7?
No doubt, sir.
No, 2 has raised hand. Yeah. So I think for this question, you have to consider question number 6 also, how it appears. Question number 6, because STN is created in previous question.
Yes, sir.
And it is checking for the old. And so what is the doubt in this? I mean, in
comparison symbols.
I think question A and B, people have doubt. Question A and B. Sorry, option number A and B, people have doubt. If it is there, then otherwise I have to create a dictionary there. So
no, sorry, you can explain A and B. And one thing I would like to ask, that in station data set, in station data set, the key would be station, and there are 4 other variables. The days are there, the train numbers are there, the departure and arrival times are there. So they could be any combination could be a value, but key would always be a station.
Yeah, let me check what is
there. My understanding correct, sir?
No, I haven't checked how the dictionary, I mean, how the station is being created here. So following.
So you have to do 5th question also.
Oh my God, I have to go to the 5th question. Yeah. So yeah, I think something is given here. Yeah. So the station captures the following information for a station X. Chalo, let me write for a just dummy. I mean, so the job is done once you create.
Sir, I created the dummy data set. If you want, I can paste.
It's okay. I mean, I can write here. Question number 5. Your dictionary, your STN dictionary, how it will look like. That is what I'm going to do here. So capture the following information for a station X. Okay, so let us say a station X is Delhi. Okay,
sir.
Yeah.
Actually, somehow connection was lost. I lost. I want to ask you one thing, that in station data set, there are stations and there are 4 variables as well. There are departure time, there are arrival time, there is train numbers, and there is also days. So what my understanding is, in station data set, the key would always be station, and these 4 variables can be in any combination, will always be a value. Is my understanding correct?
No, Aviram. So that depends on totally on the pseudocode. What are the keys should be there? What are the values corresponding is there? That totally depends on the pseudocode.
Okay,
somewhere STN, some might have different name also. The dictionary can be written in different way. Different information might be said in that particular question.
Okay,
so it should not generalize with a particular question to another question. Being created in one question might be different in another one. But thing is that for here, like it is used in this is a comprehension question. This STN is created here is being used in question number 6, 7 as well.
Okay, sir. Okay, got it, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. So that so this is your doubt. Should I create this dictionary station, or I can tell you what is the doubt in this question? Then I will in this question option number A and B. The only, can you see, this is the difference. You have to check for the, I mean, so you have to reinitialize the value of C. Otherwise, once it is false, you can never change for the next one, next station. So you
Yes,
have to
sir.
reinitialize for this one. And if it is true, means for none of the case it is less than 1. Means less than 1, what it is checking that you're having at least one number. So for every day there is at least one train. That is what it is checking. No? Yeah, passing through all days. For every at least one train should be present in one of the day of the week.
Yes, sir.
So if it is less than 1, obviously it will be 0, means 0 is less than 1 only. So for that case, it will become false. For that you are not counting. So for that it should increment. But for the next train, I mean next station, you have to make it again reinitialize. No. So that is what this was missing in this. So
Yes, sir.
this is going, the outer loop is for the station, and next one is for a station the days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, whatever it is being created in this here. I mean, if you see here, yeah, this one, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
Right, sir, right.
Yeah. So you have a still doubt in this?
No. The question number 9 you can explain. That one
Others.
No, sir.
So I have skipped these things to creation. Is other. If you have any doubt, then I can create this one. It's fine, guys. Or should I create?
Yes, sir. We understood question number
Okay,
5,
good.
sir.
Yeah, question number. Next question. What we have?
9.
So this next we have question number 9. Okay. So what is this? What D will represent? So D is means frequency count of this, frequency count of each alphabet in table. What is doubt in this? I don't
Sir, about the statement, there are 3 statements. I could not able to infer the difference.
Options.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The next one. Next. So the frequency count of each. So it will your just a minute. So your dictionary D will look like this. Sorry. This is for the every. Okay. So this is for the character. And let us say A has appeared. Let us say 35 times.
Okay.
This is for the whole table. I mean whole data set. Then B might have appeared in, let us say 12, like that. I mean C might have not appeared. There may or may not be. No?
Yes, sir.
So like that your dictionary will be there.
I created dictionary. I took a word called ticket.
Okay. And
then
okay, yeah. So there you should at least take 2 or 3. It's fine.
Okay.
It's also fine. So if you see that the frequency count of so what D is representing. So frequency count of each alphabet in table. Frequency count how many times A has appeared in that table? 35 times. So this is correct. What about B? Frequency count of each
word. It's a word.
No.
C, most frequent alphabet
in table. Most frequent only most frequent. So let us say there are like so one more time. So how it is different, I tell you. Let us say T has appeared 35. This is the so according to the option number C, D should have only information till now, which is the maximum actually.
Maximum A and T.
Yeah. So you should miss this one. Highest. Let us say 35 is the highest count. Highest count of any alphabet. There can be more than one. So
yes, sir.
Frequent alphabet in table. Do you think this is representing most frequent alphabets in the table? So A and T are most alphabet. T means whatever the data I'm showing here. In that 35 is the highest, no? Yes, and that is the most frequent. Agree? No.
Yes, sir.
Still no. Hello.
It is showing
Yes, sir.
frequency for every letter.
Okay. So, but this is not the case. No? This is representing. So this is actually option number A. No.
Yes, sir. It is representing every letter frequency.
And this is for the option number C.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. So why I'm saying question number 9? No, you had doubt in question number 9. No.
Yes, sir.
Or 8.
No, 8. I created the dictionary, but I took only one word. That is why it was not. And that is why the doubt crop up.
Okay. Now we have something. Another thing. Overall. So you have what is there now? How many have doubt in question number 9? I want to say. Actually,
Apart from me.
Okay. Okay. So in this, what you are doing actually here. So question why I was like explaining question number 8. Okay, because this is connected. Okay. Okay, question number 9. Yeah, I have already written. This is for the question number 8 actually, and question number 9. Chalo. So consider dictionary and the procedure update dictionary in the previous question. So previous question we have update dictionary. What it was doing actually, for a word, it was adding the letters of particular word where the alphabets are key and corresponding values are frequency of that particular letter or alphabet. So let POS be a list that contains all the parts of a speech. So you have POS, parts of a speech, part of speech. Is that what is that? It is a list, no? This is a list. So you will have noun, pronoun, all 8. All 8 POS. Agree? Any doubt here?
Right, sir.
Assume that given dictionary D, there exists a procedure max. Assume that for the given there max such that max D returns a list of keys which are mapped to the maximum value. Okay. So if maximum value, okay, to the corrective statement, okay. So what it is does, no, man, if I write max and dictionary, let us say this is the dictionary, what it will return? List of keys which are mapped to the maximum value. What are the maximum value we have?
A and T.
25 and 30. So it will return A and T list, no? So can you see this as you have initialized C as a what? C as a what? Dictionary with overall has a key and corresponding value is max of D. So max of D will return what? List of what? A comma T. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Everybody clear on this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now coming to this, for each A in parts of speech. Okay. So you are going through parts of speech, the list what you have in which noun pronouns are there. You have created a B. Okay. While table 1 has more. Okay. Read the first row X in table 1. Now X dot part of speech A. So obviously, let us say if you are going first time, you will have noun. So what you will do? You will do all these things for noun, and for all nouns, B will so at the end of first time when you are going first, we will have this will be the dictionary. Let me. So this will represent also a dictionary, but whose letters? Whose words which are nouns. So that's what should I? Dictionary with letters or alphabets or whatever letters as a key and corresponding frequency, no? Guys, let me
Yes, sir.
let me make it a dictionary. This will represent a dictionary, and key will be letters. Sorry, letters corresponding frequency, and this is for what? Currently nouns, no? Can you think that? So this is also look like this, but for all nouns, only nouns. Why? Because when you go first time, what is the value of a you will have? Noun, no?
Yes, sir.
Guys, so this is for all nouns. It will look like this, yeah. Letters and keys, these are, I'm writing this something, B is nothing, but it will look like similar only. But a, let us say in all nouns, a is present only 20 times. B might present something 5 times. T might present something 23 times, like that. Okay, so like that it will look like same, but when you go first time, it will only for the nouns, all the nouns letters. Guys, any doubt what I'm trying to say?
No, sir.
No, sir. Clear on this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now you have moved X to table 2, means all things are when you do for all the nouns, because it will go for all the nouns now. Okay. Now as you see that, now what is the key you will have? So C, or you are writing for C, sorry, C A, and you will assign max of B. So how your dictionary will look like? So C, initially you have this overall, this will be there, control C, control V, and you have created another key. What is that another key you will have? A is what? Noun, and corresponding value is what? Max of B. So max of B for this one is, it will return what? List, है ना? List of alphabets which has maximum value for this, which is the maximum, only T, no? So C will look like this after for noun, for next for pronoun, like that it will go for all the parts of a speech, and finally you will have C for all the, okay, it came to another page, sorry. Yeah, so it will have for all the parts of speech, and after doing all parts of speech, your C will look like, next is noun, then you will have a pronoun, and let us say in this you have highest one, let us say P has come, and also something, I mean I am not sure what is that, but let us say aim is also there, which has same maximum value, like that it will come for all the parts of speech. Any doubt till here? If anybody is having doubt, let me know. I will re-explain, guys.
No, sir. No. It's okay.
No,
Got it.
no doubt.
Everybody is clear on this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now coming to the options. Now I will ask then random question and you have to answer. Random? No, I will not ask random because questions are already there. So if I say that length of keys of C is same as number of different parts of speech of in the input data set, length of keys of C is same as number of parts of speech in the input data set?
No.
No, sir.
No,
No.
sir.
Sir.
I'm saying yes. How many are with me?
Plus
I am
one.
not with you, sir.
Okay, so yeah, this is actually incorrect. Why it is incorrect?
Overall, we have in dictionary.
So we have extra key, which is overall.
Yeah.
Yes.
So there will be one more.
Yes, true. Next we have C capture. So this is wrong option. Option number A is wrong. Now let us see. C captures the list of most frequent alphabet occurred overall in data set as well as each parts of speech. What do you think? This is correct?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Are?
Yes, yes, sir.
Least.
No, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
List of
I
most.
mean,
Just a minute. Yeah. So C captures the list of most frequent alphabets occur in overall data set as well as for each part of speech. Okay. Tell me. Okay. Who is saying that this is incorrect or this is correct? Incorrect one first. Who is saying this is incorrect? Hello. Someone was saying no.
this is incorrect, sir.
Yeah. Cyan, no.
Yeah.
Yeah. Why it is incorrect, Cyan?
Sir, in that code, we can see we are actually tallying it with the parts of speech, and if that condition is satisfied, then we are actually going. So, I mean, we are actually filtering this in such a way. So we are thinking in such a way, but it's logically correct, but it's
Sir.
not actually according to the code. I mean, every word would fall in such a way, but there might be articles, there might be some other thing which are not actually the parts of speech within the parts of speech list. Let's say noun, pronoun, we have there, but there might be articles, so they are actually omitted.
Okay.
That's not true.
A and the. That is what you are saying.
Articles. Something like that.
Sir, it is correct because max of B will return a key of a list of keys which are mapped to the maximum value.
Okay, so this here for C, Cyan, can you see this? Captures the list of most frequent alpha weight occurred in overall. So this is correct. This part is okay for you because this is not talking about any parts of a speech, no. But this is what it is saying, that this is for the overall, no, and this is for the overall in data set. Can you see? This is for the overall in data set. But what about this one? For each part of speech, it is not talking about all the overall data set. Whatever the nouns we have, for that is T is the highest.
That is that one. Yeah.
Yeah. Understood? I mean, obviously A and the is not are not the parts of speech. So we are not considering in this, no, and we are not also telling that. If understand? Okay. Option number C is incorrect because it is captures the most frequent word, but this is incorrect because this is capturing the least, no.
Sir.
Option number D, length of keys of C. Okay, length of keys of C is one more than the number of different parts of speech in the speeches in the data set. That's true, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So do you think that the length of C will be 9 and length of length of C will be 9 and length of D, length means keys of length of C, I mean, will be 9? May or may not, no? Maybe all parts of speech are not there.
Sir, yes, because there are 8 types of part of speech, so
Okay.
it can be
Okay, 8 parts of speech are there.
Total.
Okay.
And overall is also given, so 9 can be.
Yeah, but I'm saying that the length of C will be 9. 8 plus 1, 9.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Always.
No, sir,
not
for such
always.
questions, do we
It
get
doesn't
a
matter. It has to be always 9.
Why?
But I mean, sir, there might be no pronoun used. Let's say, I mean, hypothetically, it might be no pronoun there, but the overall would be there. So how many?
But that pronoun will be not.
We have.
So let us say if.
Sir, we have to go through the data set for such questions.
What do you think this will be the answer? Because for everything, for every parts of speech, you are creating a key. So key will be present.
Yes,
and
sir.
this will depend on so this will be always 9. 8 plus 1, 9. No, because for every.
Yes.
No, sir. The key is based on how many parts of speech are there in the.
Oh yes.
POS.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. You're right. You're right. Because our list has all the things. Yes,
true.
This?
Okay. Oh, yeah, correct.
So if you have doubts, please read the questions carefully. This type of questions will also comes as an option, and you will make it wrong, then
I do this silly mistake all the time.
yeah, so whenever you have doubt, now see, MSQ becomes very much difficult. I mean, and also this MSQ questions carries more marks compared to MCQ. No, so
Yeah.
you have to give a little bit more time compared to the MCQ questions. No, because that if anything is wrong, whatever you have made it other options correct, that will also.
There are also.
So please, if you are making, if you are too much sure, then you are you just answer the more than one. Otherwise, your correct marks question will be also going to be lost. No.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So what next? Yeah, I'm done. So I am done with the questions.
Sir, before we proceed, if I may ask, in
please.
week 8 and PA, in one
week
question. 8 PA in one question.
Practice assignment.
Yes, please.
What is that?
Question number 3.
So did you go through the solution?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I actually have doubt in the options because sometimes the wordings are pretty hard to understand. I understand the code, but sometimes the sentences are hard to analyze.
Okay. Yeah, question number 3, no? Yeah, tell me.
Question number 3, the last two options. So what is the difference between these both? If we go through the data, like the pseudocode, it will return us from Big Bazaar how many items we have purchased and the max value. But what's the difference between C and D?
So just a minute. Yeah, find the most frequent item category from Big Bazaar. Okay, so this is actually, can you see, this is most frequent item category. So item category, some item category will be frequently sold by Big Bazaar, but this is saying they find the top item category by item quantity. So let us say that some items are purchased 5 times, 6 times, not times, means quantity of that item. Let us say banana is 5 pieces, 6 pieces, 10 pieces, or let us say 20 or 100 eggs are purchased 20 eggs, like that. So in that item quantity is coming, no? But this is the like item category.
Okay, it's like C is like categories and D is like quantities, like banana purchase 5.
Yeah. Item quantity. If you check that, item quantity is mentioned also there.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, so now where I was, yeah. So now this is done. Now I'm coming to the week 9 part. So should I give you summary and then start the question? Or should I start the article itself?
Sir,
Start the
summary.
Summary, sir.
Sorry.
Summary.
Otherwise, it will be 10 o'clock.
Summary or question? Tell me.
So if you can give us
Summary,
first.
then questions.
Summary,
Yes,
then.
sir. Summary, sir.
Okay, just give me a second. Then I have to find the file. Okay, just. Two minutes break for you guys.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. My screen is visible, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so just give me 2 minutes. I mean, I will have water and come back fast.
Okay.
By the time, don't make noise. Maybe you can discuss among yourself the strategy, what you are following to study effectively. You can discuss, but don't make a noise. Okay.
Anyone started week 9?
For CT?
Anyone started studying week 9?
For CT?
No.
Yes.
Yeah, I have completed the lectures and assignments.
Oh, great.
Hi guys, may I know how many of you are pursuing all the 4 courses? And I think most of you are.
No, I am pursuing only 3 courses.
I am 4 courses.
I have 4 courses as well.
So guys, could anyone started week 9 math? Just I have a doubt in. Just confirm.
No.
Could you?
I have started.
I haven't started yet.
No, I
Oh,
also
okay.
didn't start.
You're talking about maths
Okay.
one
I
or
have
maths
started.
2?
Actually, I have a confusion in the lecture, so I'm asking.
You can ask.
I mean maths 1 or maths 2? That's how I'm asking you.
Oh, maths 1. Maths
Okay. Well, what's the topic?
about the area, Raman.
Oh, Riemann sum.
Yeah, Raman sum.
Okay.
Yeah, just the problem is that the professor are also saying about if we have any curve, we draw the rectangle. Okay.
Okay.
For finding area. Then what we can do, like summation from where we want to just find out the area is like summation. First of all, write limit at n tending to infinity, where n is number of rectangle. And what we can write, like limit n tending to infinity, and f of a plus and a at into h.
Yeah, some
But we can
discussion is
write
going
that.
on. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I'm discussing about the area of
Area.
of curve, like any curve. I'm giving any, just like a mountain, and find out the area of mountain. Just
You have lots of method, trapezoidal method. You can have this area under curve, just integration, no? F dot.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
It's the easiest thing to do the under
so
integral, the lower bound, upper bound.
Yes.
I'm knowing about
Okay. So this is computational thinking. A lot of things are trapezoidal method, Simpson method. What is that? Runge-Kutta method. All things are there. You can do that. Okay.
The RK method is numerical. It's one of the hardest method. I mean, lengthiest.
Yeah. So
RK method is the hardest.
Yes.
I'm always using a definite integral for finding area.
Okay, guys. Okay. Let's come back to
Sir, just one thing before we start. I mean, if you're trying to use the definite integral, it's not necessary that every time your Riemann sum would match it. Because in Riemann sum, they must ask you, like, 3 intervals, 4 intervals. You have to take n accordingly. If you're taking the midpoint value, in that case, I mean, it might match, but not every time it's gonna match. Because even in my experience in n term, they gave us such Riemann sum that you had to apply the Riemann sum. You couldn't do the definite integral and calculate that, because the value would not match. And for Riemann sum, it's not range. I mean, in stats 1, you might have seen like 20.2 to 20.5. Within range, you can type anything, but it's not that thing. It's just a specific answer. So you have to learn Riemann sum by heart.
Yeah.
Guys,
Not every
let's
time
stick
that
to
can
the
like
city,
definite
please.
integral would work here.
Okay. Good. Okay, chalo, come back to CT. Okay, so where I was, I have to discuss about the graph and how it looks. Mostly that creation of matrices, how we can represent a matrix.
Also, so the how can represent graph in a matrix?
Yeah, that is the week 7, no?
Week 8. It's
Sorry,
week 9.
Week 9. Yeah, week 9. Yeah. Okay, so thing is that can you see this? This is a graph. Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So it has, I think, all things. If I am not wrong, I think in week 9 we have all things introduced, like nodes.
Yes, sir. Nodes, edges, clicks.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So we have a nodes. Which are the nodes? 1, 2, 3. From it starts
0, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4, and edges are there. So it originated from 1 and it ended at the 2. So in and out. Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
this is
sir.
called directed graph. There can be a case where this arrow is not there. You have just a line. That all are called undirected, or that is also called click. So clicks are generally, I mean, they are actually
groups
made or groups with a similar interest or with a similar I mean, what do you say, similar level of knowledge. I mean, you can say that, I mean, they have a same level of understanding for that particular concept or particular area. But here you are just, maybe in a rough way you can understand that there is a something called 1 to 2. There is a direction, like very simple case, sir has explained that mentoring case. So let us say 1 and 2 is mentoring. 1 is mentoring 2. 3 is mentoring 2. But also 1 is being mentored by 0 in some different subject. Like here the weight is a numeric value. Somewhere weight can be the subject. No? So like that's
yes.
what sir has explained. No?
Yes, sir.
So that is the case. It can meaning of directed is that one only. I mean, so, let us say in case of train, like from a station 0 to 1 is there. With the distance covering 3 kilometer. From 1 to 2 we have 1 kilometer. Like that, you can define, you can create a graph. So can you see this? I mean, we have a graph, and this, before that, what I just say, just look at do you remember this one? This is what what is that, dictionary, and this is not a simple dictionary. This is a nested dictionary.
The nested dictionary.
Nested dictionary. So nested dictionary is nothing but our matrix. Nested dictionary is actually a matrix. How? I tell you. So can you see this? How many? If I write here, I mean, just a minute. Okay, sorry. Nested dictionary is nothing but what? Our. My screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is.
Okay. Yeah. So where I was. Yeah. So matrix. So you remember this one, this guy. A key can be a integer. Inside another key is there. You have some value. Let us say some value is, let us say 5. Another key is there. Something called, some value is there. Let us say 10 and 2. Another key is there. We have a 76. Another key is there inside. I'm just writing like this so you will understand that. Sorry. You will have again key, this one 0, some value is there, 56, or let us know 56, 57, some value 1, some value is there. Just tell me, no, you guys. 2, and corresponding is what? 5. Chalo. Another key 2. And the same, let me copy this guy. I have not done anything extra. I have just 17, some value, different value you can have.
69.
Yeah, chalo. So can you see this? What I have done? I have this is a nested dictionary, no? Can you
Yes,
see?
sir.
I just make it then in one line, and then you will understand that this is a. Then I will write like this to make you understand easily. Yeah. So this is nothing but you have nested dictionary. This is nested one. You
Yes,
have-
sir.
Yeah. So if I write here D of 0, what do you think it will come here?
A dictionary with
Dictionary
0,
related.
1, 2.
So that's 0,
This
that's
one?
0, 5, 1, 10, 2,
Yes,
56.
sir.
If I write here D of 1, sorry,
057 1725
what it will be the value?
5.
5.
5.
Huh?
5.
5.
sir.
Okay. Now what I have done something here. Let me make
So
it.
you're using the indexing right now.
Yeah, that is the case. I will make you understand why it is indexing is required for. This is a special type of dictionary, you can say, where you have indexes are only integer values, and this is like continuous. So this is true, and this is a matrix actually. If I write like 0 is there, na? This is 0. So this first value is always you consider in a. Generally, if a D here I have written 1 and 2. So 1 is actually represent for the rows, and the first value, and this is actually represents for the column. So you remember something called D, I,
Dij.
J. So where I is representing rows and J represents for the columns. Generally, this is the terminology, or this is the methodology we are following. So if I say I and J, so if I say 1 and 2, so 1 is the
first row, second column.
Yeah, means first actually it's a start from the 0, means this is the 1. So this is we have.
Oh yeah.
So if I say first 1 and 2, this is representing a second row, third column.
And third column.
Second row, third column. So this value is 5. Like that you are writing actually. So D1 2, if I say this is exactly 5. Can you see that? D1 to 5. So you can fill now. So D0, what are the rows values? 5,
5, 10, and 56.
10 and
56.
Very interesting, no? I mean, the dictionary is directly converted into a
Table.
Matrix. So 1 is represented. So now let me write like this. Then we will have a better picture. And this guy. Yeah. So if then 0, 57, then next one is what?
7.
7, and next one is 5
5
already.
5.
Next second 7.
7.
17 25.
17, 25.
Can you see this? I mean, so this one is converted, nested dictionary is converted into our matrix. And this is very simple. Let us say this matrix, if you say M, and if I write like here, M 2 2, we can write now I and J. What is the value of 2 2?
25.
25. If I write here D 2 2, what do you think? Same, no? I mean, can you see this?
Sir, it's
Yes, sir, it would be 25.
Yeah, I'm just checking like how we have to access. This is the outer key, and once you check the reach to the outer key, you have to search for the next key, which is inside, and this is the 2. This is 25. But so this is actually 25. So can you see this? Hey, this makes a little more easier. Like if I said 2 2, where is the value? This is the 2 2. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is the same thing is explained here. Like if a matrix 0 1, if you're writing, So this is 0 1 3 है ना. There is something called sir has created, I think create matrix is defined, no, I mean, yes, I think what some functions sir has defined something called create matrix.
Yes, sir. It is.
Yes, sir.
And it is like if I write like create create
Sir, just a question. I mean, the matrix M is the adjacency matrix for that respective graph, right?
Yeah. So adjacency matrix, the definition of adjacency matrix is actually it represents a graph.
So and that one is like whatever you created. I mean that matrix. So that matrix would represent that graph.
Yeah.
That's the thing, right?
Yeah.
So what does adjacency matrix mean?
Adjacency matrix means, can you see this? This is a graph, you can say that?
Yes, sir.
And this is created for this. So this
Yes,
is
sir.
nothing but your adjacency matrix.
Okay, okay. That particular matrix for that particular graph.
Yes.
Okay, okay. Got it.
Yeah, so if I write here something called, we have defined create matrix, and if I write create matrix 3, 3, what do you think it will return? You will have
a matrix with 3 rows and 3 columns.
3 by 3 matrix.
Each value being 0.
Let us say if I write 5, 5 or anything, 5, 3 also you can write. So it will have some
5 rows.
Insert something is there. Insert below. Insert below and this side also, no? What is that? Insert after. Insert after. So this all will have, what is that?
0.
0 value.
All will be 0.
How I'm saying this one?
Because create matrix creates a matrix and initialize each value to 0 at the same time.
Yes. Anna? So if you check the code for this one, and this is very much important, we will use everywhere in the code. Create matrix, if I write n comma n, then it will create for the n comma n length. So if I am not writing from anywhere, if you see that this is defined as like matrix ij is equal to 0, we are assigning a value 0. Anna?
Yes.
This was nothing but our nested dictionary only. We are assigning outer inner key with value 0. Anna?
Yes, sir.
Like that. So how it is being created, this is, I think this is not very much complex. You can just try to, like, when you have I is equal to 0, I is equal to 0, you have to run for the rows. So row I have defined 5, so it will run for 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, no, because it is less than. Anna?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Any doubt in creating matrices?
No, sir. No, sir.
I think then it is done. I mean, nothing is there then. This is your things, matrix creation. And now let us. So, do you have any further?
Sir,
this? Yeah.
One thing was in the lecture, sir has created a matrix for directed graphs with zeros and one. If you can explain that one, that was my original doubt.
A directed graph. I mean, in week 9 or sorry, week 10 or 9?
Week 9 itself, sir.
Lecture number, can you see? Tell me.
Oh, let me just look at it. Sir.
Yeah. Just tell me then.
So, sir, basically, if two nodes are connected by a directed edge or any edge, that would be 1. And if they are not connected, then that would be 0. I mean, that entry.
Yes. Yeah. If that is the case, no, I mean, some conditions should be satisfied to make it 1. Or if I'm saying that if there is an edge from I to J, then I'm saying that this in matrix it should represent by 1. Then I will assign 1. If there is no edge or if condition is not satisfied, then matrix Ij should be equal to 0. Like that is there. That is not too much complex there. But tell me what.
It's lecture number 9.5, sir.
Lecture number 9.5. Okay, real time examples. This one, this.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, this is easy, no? I mean, so what sir is trying to do here? I mean, if you see the pseudo code here, sorry, yeah, if you see the pseudo code, this mentor graph is there, no?
Yes, sir.
This one, yeah. What it is happening? You have people have doubt in this one? No? Yes. If
No,
it's
no,
okay.
No, sir, no doubt.
No.
I just quickly explain them. Then there is a procedure called create matrix, and what you have done? N is the length of keys of marks. So you have already marks, and marks is a what it will be a dictionary, because you are using a keys, and marks somewhere sir might have defined marks is representing for what?
Sir, it will have a dictionary with index and marks of that particular subject.
Okay, so it is like you have something called marks is a dictionary in which index number corresponding mathematics marks is there. That
Yes, yes.
Okay, so you have so if I write n is equal to length of keys of marks, what it will be? Number of students, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo.
And the length of,
yeah. So as you see that mentor graph is equal to create matrix n comma n. Okay? So if
we'll have a matrix with all values 0.
Yeah. So for all the students, like let us say there are 30 students, so that it will start from 0 to 29 rows and 0 to 29. It will be there. So there will be 30 rows and 30 columns. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Since it is started with 0, so it will last will be the 29.
0 to 29.
Anna. Now for each I in keys of marks. So when you go first time, so keys, let us say it is written in 0, 1, 2, 3. Our list came like this. If it is also not coming like this, it doesn't matter. It doesn't care actually. But let us say this is coming from 0, 1, 2, 3. This is actually a list, no? Keys of marks.
Yes, sir.
Anna. So let us say I is equal to 0, and next is also j is equal to 0. So it will check marks of I or j, marks of 0 or marks of 0. How much it will be? 0, because both are same, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So it is 0, then obviously it will not go inside. It will go for the next j is equal to 1. So marks of 0 minus marks of 1. So mathematics marks of student sequence number 0 and 1. Difference is now some difference value will come. So let us see if their difference is in between. Let us say marks is 15. Like marks of I is how much? Let us say 65, and marks of j is 50. So 65 minus 50 will be how much? 50. So 10 is less than equal to 15, less than 20. It's true. Okay. So mentor graph in I and j. So where it will?
We are only putting the value 1 for the students who can mentor the other student.
Yeah. So see what it is happening here. Let us see. This is the matrix we have created for the 5 students. So marks of a student 0 and marks of a student, the difference was actually 15. So this condition is satisfied.
Yes, sir.
True, no? So if it is true, then you will make it 1.
Okay.
What it is actually representing? A student 0 has marks. Difference in the marks is in between 10 to 20.
We don't actually care about the particular value of the difference. We just want to know that whether they can mentor, whether the difference falls between this range.
Yeah, if value, the difference means marks of this will be higher than 1. If the range is in between 10 to 20, then you have a 1.
Okay, got it.
And it represents like that. That is what sir has already told, no? Mij is equal to 1. It represents the age from I to j. If it is 0, means no age from I to j. Okay. So if you can have like what is that? Just you can have like just 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, like 5 this, and you will mark from 0 to 1, 0 to 1 age you can mark like this.
And for each subject we'll have another matrix.
Yes. Obviously, this is for the mathematics actually. We are checking for the mathematics. No, where is that mathematics? Or somewhere, some marks, mathematics.
Sure.
You can do for the other subject also.
Got it.
Okay. Yeah. So where I was? Yeah. So that's doubt is clear. No. Now I have to come back to the activity questions. So 9.4 question number 5. Whose doubt is this?
Abhinav this side, sir. Mine. I asked.
9.4 question number 5 is not 3. 9.4.
So 9.4
question number 5 or 3. Oh,
So just a moment, sir. Just a moment.
Or 9.5 it is. I don't know.
In 9.5, there are question number 2 and 3 are there.
Yeah, question number 2 and 3 is there. Yes.
And in 9.
So this is for the, okay, so this is 9.4, no? I mean, I have written, yes. Which question number are you talking about?
Sir, in 9.3, there was question number 5.
Oh, this is 9.3, question number 5. And this is 9.5, question number 2 and 3, yeah?
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
So this is not the one.
This is not the one.
Yeah, so let us go first 9.3 and then come back to 9.5.
Right, sir.
9.3. Question number 5.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is easy, no? I mean, yeah.
Sir, there is a problem. They are asking for click. So my doubt is can we say that every cycle is a click?
No.
I mean, click can be used as similar as cycle. I mean,
no.
Okay, done.
In a click, let us say there are n elements are there or n nodes are there, then there should be n minus 1 number of edges should be coming from one node.
No, sir.
What I'm trying to say here, let us say this 1, 2, and 3 are there. 3 nodes are there. So each should have come. Now, how many elements are there here?
3.
I told n minus 1 edges should be coming from this. So 3 minus 1, 2. So can you see this? 2 edges are coming from each and every nodes of 1, 2, 3. Therefore, 1, 2, 3 forms a click. Whereas if you see that 1, 2, 3, and 4, can you see this? For every element, in the 1, 2, 3, 4, for one, how many edges should come? 3. 3 are coming. For 2, how many are coming? Only 2. Therefore, this is not a click. But understand? But 1, 3, and 4 is forming a click. 1, 3, and 4. Can you see this? 1, 3, and 4.
So can we say that in a click, every member is connected to every
member? Yes, very simple. Every member should be connected to every member. Every member should be connected to every member. Yes. Then you check which are the correct clicks are there. So 1, 2, 3 are click. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 is not connected with 4. Therefore, this is not a click. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Obviously, this is not correct because 2 is not connected with 4 and 5. Okay? What about this? 1, 3, 4, 5. 1, 3, 4, 5. This is a click, no? Because every member is connected in this group to everyone. Hai na? Next one is also just auto.
Sir, you said that in a click, to find a click for every vertex, the number of edges that comes to that vertex is n minus 1. Is it right?
Yeah. Yes. Also, in the simple way, what someone has said, I mean, that in every member, I mean, in a click, every member should be connected to every member.
Right, sir.
To each other.
Right, sir.
Based on that, you try to like 1, 2, 3. It is connected with everything. Na? But in mathematically, if you want to do that, then everyone should be connected with n minus 1. So there are n elements. Let us say here 3 elements, 1, 2, 3. Then obviously 1 to 1 there will be no connection. No 1 to 1. So
right,
that's
sir.
why n minus 1 is coming.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Or how many edges will be there if you have number 3?
That I know that n into n minus 1 by 2.
Yes. That is very simple from being 4.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Chalo. Next.
Then sir, 9.5, question number 2 and 3.
Yeah. Yeah. Use the matrix A computed in the question number 1. So you have to go to the question number 1.
That I created.
Yeah. So A will look like this. How many have done this one?
For me also.
You have done this one?
Yes, sir.
You have doubt?
No, sir. No, I have not.
9.5. Question number 1. Chalo. First, we are trying to see the how your matrix, how your matrix will look like this. So what are you actually trying to do here? You are trying to do. You have read math. Math is your read maths. What it does? Math.
It gives a dictionary with the index and marks as values.
Math will be a dictionary with a sequence number. Is there? What
Yes, sir. Sequence number.
Yes, sir.
Sequence number corresponding mathematics marks, है ना?
Yes, sir.
68. Let us say next sequence number is 9. It can now anything.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It can have. It is a 78. Like that, it is there, है ना?
Yes, sir.
Maths. Now n you are creating. N is the length of keys of. This is number of students, you can say, है ना? Correct, no? Now we have created a matrix A with 0 0, है ना? Sorry, create. Let me give some example itself. I mean, or
Let n be 10.
I just take for the, let us say 4 students, ठीक है? Wow. Something called 50, and this is for 2 and 3, ठीक है?
Yes.
If I explain for 1, then people will understand how we can create a dictionary. It is 90, ठीक है? Now n will be what? How many? 4.
4.
C will create a matrix n comma n. So chalo, just writing control C. You have A will look like a matrix will be look like this. Let me delete this one. Delete columns, and this will be rows also we will delete. ठीक है? ठीक है? Okay, no? Any doubt here? Till here?
No, sir.
So we have created a matrix. Now let us see. Now what it is there? For each x in keys of maths. So if I write keys of maths. Let us see. Order is not a. Order is coming something different. Let us say the first one is coming 1, 0, 2, 3. ठीक है? Order is order we have like that. It keys has come. So let us say for 8 keys of maths. For each y in chalo. So if math of x, let us say the first time you are going, and then what will be math 1 minus math 1. So let us say the both times it has appeared same, that keys. Then we are what we are doing 1 comma. If calling here this second time also, it can come same or different. It doesn't matter. If it is coming different also, it doesn't matter actually. ठीक है? You can try by yourself. It will not create any issue here. So for the timing, I just consider that this return value as keys of maths is this one, here also and here also. But once you fix this one, then it will be same. So chalo. Oh, sorry. Yeah. So when you are coming, my screen is visual, no?
Yes.
This one. This is nice, I think. No? I mean, we can. It is clear?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. So we are going first time, and what we are doing? Math 1 means what it will the difference? Math 1.
0.
Yeah, this will be actually 0 initially. Yeah. So 0 is greater than 5. What do you think? It is true or false?
False.
False. Not going to do anything. This is a closing. Next y is what? 0.
0.
Math 1 minus math 0. What is the value? 50 minus 68. Anna?
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
minus. It is also getting false.
It will not go. Next is what?
2.
2. So 1, 2. So what is that? 1,
50 minus 78.
50 minus
Also
78. Again, this is?
It will not go.
So this is the lowest. Can you see this? This is the lowest one.
Yes.
I don't think so. This will be going to change. So this will be 0, 0.
0.
Because chalo, next time, so this is done for the y. Now come to the next. So next x will be now 0. Anna?
Yes.
Now come. So y is starting with 1. Okay. So math 0 minus math 1. What is the value of math 0 minus math 1? 68 minus 50. What do you think?
18.
Greater
That
than
will be
5,
true.
no? Greater
True.
than 5. So what is the value? 0.
It become 1.
It will become 1.
0 and 1, no?
Yeah.
Sorry, 0, 0 and 1. So this will be 1. Anna?
Yeah.
This will be always 0 actually. This will be always 0 because this has minimum. Chalo, let us see how it appears. Now next time it will go for next y. What is the value? 0. Again
0. It will become 0.
Hana?
Again not working and 0 then.
Yeah. So next is again 2. So what is the value of 2? Math
It will not go.
Math 2. So 68 minus 78. Is it minus 10? No, it will
Yes.
not do it.
Yeah, minus.
Again 68 minus 90. 0.
It will not repeat.
So for this 0, this all will be, except this one, this will be 0, no?
Yes.
Anna?
Yeah.
Now next x will be what? 2.
2.
And now so this is actually 2. Now we'll check for all the columns actually, other sense. Chalo. Next again, y will be 1. So what is 2, 1? What is it?
2.
78 minus 68. It is
True.
Next is what?
So 2, 1. 2, 1.
2. Sorry, 2, 1. Yeah. This is actually 2, and then we are checking with the 1, no? Yeah. First one is 1, no? Yeah. So 78 minus 50 is?
In the matrix, it will update 1, right?
Yeah. This will be 1. Yeah, sorry.
And this becomes 0.
Now next y will be what?
Also 2.
0.
0.
So what it will be?
78
minus
minus 68.
68. This will be
10.
1.
1 because this is greater than 5.
Yes.
Now next 78 minus
90.
will be?
It is 0.
It will be 0.
Because this will be 2 math 2 minus math 2 will be 0 only, no?
Yes.
So it is not greater than. So therefore this is 0. Minus then again math 2 minus math 3. 78 minus 90. It will be minus negative value. It is not greater than 5. Therefore it will be 0. Yes, because we are not going to update. So it will remain the previous value itself. Which are coming from where? Create a matrix in comma n. So no, create. How many are there? I mean, they left. How many are left?
4, 4. Yeah.
Yeah. So initial values are all 0. Now coming for the 3. Now this is 3 is the highest mark.
It will update all.
Do you think all will be 1?
Yes.
No. This will be
except
0.
Except 3 and 3.
Yes.
Yeah.
This will be 1. This will be 1. Hana?
Yes.
So there will be all 0 column, so rows, and there will be all 0. Another information. I mean, there will be all 0 vertical columns are there, and there will be all zeros. Rows are there. What do you mean by that? All
Diagonals also 0.
Huh?
Yeah.
Diagonals will be 0.
Yeah, also diagonal 0.
Diagonals will be always 0. Who will compare within himself? No, add will be always 0. No? So there is no meaning of that one. But this gives some information. What do you think that all zeros actually mean that? 1 has minimum marks and 3 has highest marks. Can you see this? It is coming.
Yes,
Anna? Some interesting information it is giving. No?
Wait,
Yes,
sir. What is saying? One have minimum mark and 3 have. By looking this only matrix.
Yeah, you can say that. No, this is actually representing that. No.
Yes, sir.
Both are 0.
Because if I say that, what it is actually this based on this code actually. I mean.
Yeah.
So this is actually, see what I'm checking, math x minus math y. So if I comparing 1 marks with others, so 1 marks is always less than others. So obviously it can never be greater than anyone. So therefore this will have 0.
Yes, sir. Yes.
For this guy, his marks is always greater than others except himself for this 3 है ना? Therefore this will be never becoming 1 है ना? You will create a lot of questions. These type of question will come in future. Okay, I have created now. What is the? I have. So this is pretty straightforward. Everybody can answer now this. Na? Chalo, come here. Use matrix say computed in. Okay, we have created. What does the return value of procedure A comma I? So you have matrix A and I. I is some. The value will be there. Okay. So for each 0 count. Okay. For each C in column say. So it is going through columns. So what are the columns? 0, 1, 2, and 3. Correct?
3. Yes, sir.
All columns are 0, 1, 2, 3. So C is equal to when it is going first and C is 0. So I some value is there. I mean I some obviously some a student ID is there. Na? A student ID means a student sequence number. So it might be any one of 0 among 0, 1, 2, and 3. No?
Yes, sir.
Sure. So if you go and if it is I is equal to means this value is becoming equal to 1, what you are actually checking? Number of students whose can you say one think that it is the 0 here 1 means 0 marks is greater than this guy. A student number 2 marks is greater than a student 0. That's why it is coming 1 here, no?
Yes, sir.
So if you count for that particular, let us say I'm counting for I is equal to 2. That a student I is equal to 2. Then what do you think it will represent? Equal to 1, and for that case you are counting, meaning it is saying that count is representing number of students
who have scored less than
at least 6 marks is less than I.
At least 6.
At least 6. Yeah, at least 6. Yes. Anna? I mean, that is the case. No? Because why I'm saying 6? Why I'm saying 6? Why?
Because in the initial
greater than 5.
On this criteria, we have made ax y is equal to 1. No, this guy. These are. Anna?
Yes, sir.
Understand? So, can you see that 2 students whose mathematics marks are at least less than 6 for a student 2, no? Which is actually, you can see a student number 0, is it? Yes. At least 6, yeah. A student number 1, yes, is less than at least 6. It can be more than also, but at least 6. 7 it can. Okay. Chalo. Next question.
Sir,
yeah.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, see, I understood that you said that student 2 has scored more marks than student 0.
Yes.
That is fine. But the line you said that scored less than that, I could not able to understand.
It is saying that, so what do you think that if I say a student has just scored at least, these are students, no? These are students has just scored how much less marks? At least 6 than 2, no? At least 6. A student I is there.
Yeah. It's scored at least less than 6.
So in other way, it is saying that with a student I, which is I is equal to 2 here, with respect to this student, a student number 0 and a student number 1 has got at least 6 marks less. No?
Okay.
With respect to a student I, no?
Okay, sir. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Now 2 things now it is saying here. Now I'm just writing very simple. So I and J is there. So if I write marks of I, so this one actually, and 2 things are there, A, I, and J is equal to 1, and 2 things are there, A, J sorry, k, no? Yeah, k is equal to 1. So I'm writing something like this. So both are true, then you are going to return true. Okay. So what is actually happening here? I mean, can I write like this? Marks of A, sorry, I actually I minus marks of J will be greater than equal to 6. Am I correct? Then it is 1.
Yes, if it's 6, then it's greater than equal to.
Anna, otherwise because it is 12, that's why I'm writing. Okay, no? Otherwise I can.
Okay. Okay. Got it, sir.
I would have write like this. Anna.
Then we have to interpret like, okay, so so it's 5, so it has to be at least 6 or something. I get it.
Now marks of J minus marks of, in mathematics I am trying to make you understand. Is it correct? For that case, for this one is becoming 1 means marks of J minus marks of K greater than equal to 6. Guys, Abhinav, no. Others. Hey, how many other people? How many
Yes.
left? Oh.
Yes,
sir.
We have
Yes,
some.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I am just telling you, can you add these two? So what it will be appearing? Marks of
So I minus K. Marks of I minus marks
I
of
minus marks of, very simple. I mean, greater than
Equal to 12.
6 plus 6, 12.
Now try to find the answer now. Does it make sense? That is what, see,
Yes,
I
sir.
have not done anything extra. What I have done, ij is equal to 1. It is for that case you are returning 2. Means what do you mean by this one? If it is 1, means marks of I minus marks of J should be greater than equal to 6.
Right, sir.
Obviously I can write like this because this is our question. Our things were like this, no? We are checking with 5, but based on the option I have to check with the at least is given, so we have to write in terms of this guy 6. Both are representing same now, greater than 5 or greater than equal to 6. Both are representing same thing.
Right. Yes, sir.
Decimals
Yes,
are
sir.
not there, no? Now add these two. So marks of J, this guy and this will be 0. I mean, cancel out. Then marks of I minus marks of K, if it is greater than 12, then you have the answer. I think that is the way. This is the way. Hannah?
Yes, sir.
Anybody has any doubt?
No, sir.
Oh, sir.
Okay. So what's time? Time is there. No, I think it is. Okay. So what? So please revise list and dictionary. If you have any doubt, please watch the previous lectures of concept covered for the list and dictionary. If you think that you have less questions, you can convert any question any type. Just think that see, I tell you how to do that. Just think that I'm telling you something called this. I want to create dictionary something like this. What is that? From like Chennai students whose marks are nested, you can say that. I mean,
maths marks.
Yeah, maths marks or something, total or something. Just a minute. Chennai students whose mathematics, number of Chennai students whose mathematics marks in maths, means how many number of students from Chennai whose mathematics marks is it is saying that create a dictionary, create a dictionary in which keys represents, keys represents outer key. Outer key represents Chennai, and corresponding it says that in mathematics number of students, 14 students has marks are greater than average. In physics, 10 students has marks greater than average, physics average. And chemistry, sorry. Let us say 2 students are having marks greater than class average. Like that, for Chennai it is there. Now cities wise I want to do. Now next is Delhi is there. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? So you have to create a dictionary. We have to create a dictionary in which outer key should be a Chennai and inner key should be the math, physics and chemistry, in which these numbers are representing that number of students from Chennai who got more than average marks in mathematics. So what is the number? 14. In physics, 10. In chemistry, 2. Like that you have to create like that for all the cities. You think some random thing and try to write the code. How you will iterate the table where you have data, you are having data, or in terms of if it is rows or if it terms of piles of the cards, it depends on you. I mean, how you can create. But also like also you have like these questions are there. I mean, just give me a second. These questions are there. If this is done for something, this is done for the each and every word, alphabets actually. Now try to find for the words. Do you think that you will be able to create for the words? Obviously, like how many words are coming, frequency of each words. Next question, something is there. This is for the station. Some different information you want to ask. If this is greater than, you want to go for the lower one, greater than, less than, like that. Based on this is based on the days actually. So you can do for the distance. Something means if you think that questions are less, you can imagine lot of things. Yeah, tell me. Yeah, in
the previous example, sir, that you have taken these marks. Suppose we are trying to calculate the highest marks of maths from Chennai. Among the Chennai students, what is the highest mark we want to check? Sir. So in that, in the if condition, sir, when we are checking if the present card is greater than the previous card, I'm always getting confused, sir. Which one, the statement in both the sides of the equality symbol,
that is the simple
maths and x dot maths.
Yeah. So yes, you are saying that like you have to find a student from Chennai, highest Chennai student marks. That is the one in mathematics. So this is very simple. You have 2 filters. What are the filters? First filter that x dot ct, है ना? Should be equal to what? Chennai, है ना? And next thing that marks. So this is variable actually. What is, see, if I'm writing like this, this is actually variable. Variable means what do you mean by variable? For every card you have to iterate. That is if you go first time, some for some student data it will represent. For next time if you iterate, next student data will represent. So this is actually variable. So x dot math marks. What you have some consider some value, let us say max value. Then if both conditions are satisfied, then you are going to update the value of max with what? Current marks. So this is what you are trying to ask. Now see.
No, sir. Instead of max, if you are having the previous card, we are comparing with the previous marks.
No, so this is previous. No, I didn't understand what you were trying to say. Previous marks. What do you mean by previous marks?
If you are comparing one maths
see what I'm doing, you have 12 cards. Table has cards. You have taken card X. Now you are iterating through each and every. Table 1 has cards. Now you are iterating card, and then you are moving to table 2. And before that, initially you have initialize max with 0. Okay? Now, if you go first time, table 1 has card, that card is X. If it is Chennai, okay, let us say Chennai, X dot mathematics, let us some marks is there 50. So 50 is greater than 0. It will come, max will become 15, and that card is moved to table 2 now. Next time you go, another card will come. Now X will there. So again, you will check if city is Chennai. Let us say that is also from Chennai. Now next time, the next card is comes. What is the current mathematics marks you are having? So let us say this student has, let us say 40. So 40 is greater than the previous marks was how much? 50 I have considered, no?
Yes, sir.
So 40 is greater than 50. This is not true, no? This is false.
Yes.
So you will not go inside. You will not update the max marks.
Yes.
This is easy, no? So what is sort out means?
No, sir. In the graded assignment, third question, just in the beginning, which we have taken, so in the example.
In this.
In the first example, sir, graded assignment 8, you have taken the third question.
Third, okay.
Third question. That is a nested dictionary problem.
Yeah, yeah.
Here, sir, in the procedure update here we are using the less than symbol. So both sides it is Y city and Y subject. So how
Pratap, no? Pratap.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So you should always consider that which is variable. So this is your variable, no? If I write this one, I mean, let us say max I have written like this and like this. X dot maths. That is what it is written there. Means ulta. Both are representing same, no? If I have written previously X dot math marks greater than max. This is also same. See, if I write 4 is greater than, let me say, I mean, X dot maths, sorry. Maths is greater than max, or max is, that is actually representing same thing, no? If what is the difference?
That is not the confusion there, sir. But here we are having two different variables and comparing. But here we are saying the
where
same.
Is the two different variables?
Here Y dot city town is there, and here Y dot subject is there. Y represents the current line, no, sir. And the other Y subject represents the previous line. But both sides we are using Y. Normally in the previous when lists and all we were using, when one will be X and the other will be Y. We'll be comparing with X with Y and something like that.
Okay.
But in this example and few other examples, we are both the sides Y city town and Y subject will be there, and we are comparing with the.
Yeah. So see what is there. I mean, so you have all some dictionaries all. So because this is, since you have reached here, meaning you have that key in that dictionary. Because this is checking condition that this key is there or not. Am I true or not? Since you have reached here, means you have satisfied this condition. True, Pratap? Yes or no? You have reached to line number 20, meaning you have made it this condition true. Hello? Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Pratap? Okay, so maybe he is not able to speak something.
Sir,
yeah.
One request, sir.
Yeah, please.
Sir, I saw few question papers, sir, and I have few doubts regarding few questions, sir. So it would be great if you could host one session to clear out doubts for the question papers or something like that, sir.
Which question papers?
Sir, it's like cumulative, sir. I went across like 5 question papers and I have around 10 questions.
From where did you get this 5? So 5 question paper or what? Quiz 2?
Yes, sir. Like previous years.
Okay. I will try to discuss that question. Don't worry.
Sir, after this, sir, or?
But I have to stop this session and then YouTube is streaming. I have to stop actually.
Sir, could I mail
this
them
example,
to...
sir, my connection got disconnected, sir, so I couldn't hear what you said.
Okay. Yeah. Pravidya, I will just give me a second.
Yes, sir, sure, sir.
So see, Pratap, if you are, can you see that you are checking at this condition? Means you have satisfied this condition true, then you are able to reach line number 20. Am I correct?
Correct, sir.
Correct. Meaning this is the key which is already present in dictionary. This one.
Yes, sir.
Meaning this key is already there. y.ct town is already there. That's why you are able to reach. That's why, meaning you are using
Yes, sir.
this one here in for dictionary D. This is the
Right,
inner
sir.
key. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Now it is clear. Now the value
Yes.
is different because in a city there can be more than one student. No. Let us
Yes,
suppose
yes, sir.
Chennai. I mean, for the Chennai itself, first student might have got 50, second student might have got 90. So 50 minus 15 is less than 90. Obviously, you have to update. But let us say next student has got 40, then 90 is less than 40 is not true, then you will not update. Like that. Since you have already created a key for that given city, that's why you are able to reach here, because this condition is satisfied. If this condition is not satisfied, means you are this is new, means you haven't created, then where you will go? You will go to the else part, and for that you will create a dictionary. So you create a key using that particular city name, and you will assign the value. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Assigning part is okay, sir. The comparing part I'm getting
So comparing only. So because you are able to compare, why? Because you have already created this city name.
Yes, sir.
Because Chennai is coming twice. But that's why you are able to reach line number 20. No. Otherwise, you have already come. Otherwise, you have come to line number 25.
We have created new.
That's why. But representation is coming different because the current information you are using, which you have already used in previous case for such other card, which is city. है ना?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So yeah, Pravidya, I mean, what I can do?
Yes, sir.
This is live streaming. I mean, so we have a Solvit instructor session. I think I will let you know. I will try to talk to the team to create one session, more session.
So how will you connect to me? So
we will
drop you a mail.
We will send the mail to you guys. I mean, or also it will be created in the calendar page.
Okay,
Like
sir.
that.
So if possible, like you have your Sunday sessions, right? Like for clearing the doubts regarding list or dictionaries. So something similar, like one session would help, like really clear out all the doubts. So,
okay.
Like even Sunday is great actually if you can post.
Okay. Okay, then I will have. Yeah.
Oh, before we end, just can you please the PA question 9? I want just roughly in 1 or 2 line answers. I've gone through the code, like PA week 9 question number 9.
Which one? Practice assignment.
Yeah, yes, sir. Practice assignment week 9 question number 9.
Okay, actually I missed that one. No, yeah. Well, you
Yes,
have
sir.
already said. Did you go through the solution?
Yes, sir. But basically, I am not able to figure it out. Like, what is the difference? What's the difference between, like, why can't the option C and E also be true?
C and E.
They both are not true. So why they can't be true? So
how is A created?
A is like if I to J, if there is an edge, and
based
I
on
is,
what? Based on what?
like if I is strictly, I's physics mark is strictly greater than J,
Acha.
then there is an edge from I to J, and we have to create a matrix B, and for matrix B, it's vice versa.
Understood. So strictly greater than. So A I J. So means if I say that A I J is 0, means I marks is less than J,
Less than J.
or equal to also. Okay, no?
Oh, okay.
For 2 cases.
Oh, okay. So the last both would be like they can be equal to also.
Yeah. So both will be 0, no?
Yeah. Yes.
Got it?
Yeah. Yes. Thank you.
Okay, then what to do? I mean, I will maybe will take one session for combined list and dictionary, all the doubts. So also you guys try to submit your graded assignment. I think week 9 deadline is Wednesday, no? Is it?
Yes, it is Wednesday.
It's on 29th.
Yeah. So please submit also. And where is the quiz?
Quiz
It is on 2nd, sir. April.
So try to submit as much before you can. I mean, that will be good for you, so that you will get. Thursday, I think if I keep a mock session, mock questions paper,
Sure.
and I think I will keep open till morning 10 to evening 10, and then next Friday I will have questions. I will solve that questions to you guys. Is it fine?
Sure, sir.
Okay, good.
Yes,
Good.
sir.
Sir, is there a sir,
Okay.
is there a chance of the week 9 graded assignment being postponed to a different day, like the closing date? Like, do they consider it for quiz 2 or the deadline is fixed?
I'm not
Or
sure
maybe the deadline of the week
that decision is mostly taken by admin guys, and I can only I'm not sure, but you have time. No, just try to finish by this week and just put 1 week for this week list and dictionaries. That's fine. No, for the I think week 10 deadline will be extended. That's true. Week 10 I mean, but week 9 I don't think so. I mean, because we have enough time. Week 10 will be definitely, because they will be busy for in next week for preparing for these quiz 2 subjects. Hana?
Okay, sir. Got it.